Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best jewelry tool kit is probably one of the most essential investments you can make as a jewelry maker. Whether you are crafting intricate necklaces, dazzling earrings, or stunning rings, the right tools empower you to bring your creative visions to life with precision and ease, transforming ordinary materials into extraordinary works of art that will leave a lasting impression. This kit offers a comprehensive collection of high-quality tools, carefully selected to meet the diverse needs of jewelry artisans of all skill levels. Number 5. Beadsmith Wire Bending Pliers. Introducing the Beadsmith Wire Bending Pliers, your new go-to tool for creating perfectly sized loops and jump rings every time. It's designed for comfort and precision, making jewelry making easier than ever. With this plier, you can effortlessly create 6 different loop sizes, ranging from 2mm to 9mm. This gives you the versatility to make a wide variety of jewelry pieces. Crafted with a polished steel head and ergonomic handle, it's built for durability and comfort. The double leaf springs reduce hand fatigue, even during extended use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned jewelry maker, this plier is an essential addition to your toolkit. It's the perfect tool for creating custom jewelry and accessories. For 40 years, Beadsmith has been providing high-quality beads, tools, and supplies. We're committed to helping you enjoy the creative process, from start to finish. We stand behind our products. If you have any questions or concerns, our expert team is here to help. Let us be a part of your creative journey. What we like. This plier makes creating consistent loops effortless, with 6 different sizes to choose from. Its robust build ensures longevity, perfect for frequent use. If you need precision and comfort for jewelry making, this is the tool for you. What people say. These bail-making pliers can form 2mm loops. Not all of them have 2mm. It's very well made. Was using needle-nosed pliers to make wire trees. Worked okay. These give you repeatable and consistent results. They work great, comfortable to use and very versatile. Number 4. Mr. Penn Jewelry Pliers Kit. This kit contains 3 essential pliers for all your jewelry making needs. It's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. You get needle nose pliers for precise work, round nose pliers for creating loops and curves, and side cutters for clean cuts. Each tool is designed for ease of use. The round nose pliers' curved edges make forming loops and curves a breeze. You'll enjoy the precision and control they offer. These long needle nose pliers are perfect for picking up, placing, shaping, and holding small objects. Their length provides excellent reach and control. You may notice an oil coating on your pliers. This is to prevent rust. Simply wipe them clean before use, and reapply oil for storage. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate DIYer, this kit provides the tools you need to create beautiful jewelry. Start crafting today. What we like. This set offers a range of mini pliers for various tasks. The compact size makes it ideal for intricate work. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable set for small-scale jewelry projects, this is a great option. What people say. The set comes with a variety of pliers, including round nose, flat nose, and chain nose pliers, as well as wire cutters. This variety covers all the basic needs for crafting intricate pieces of jewelry. The handles are ergonomically designed, making them comfortable to hold for extended periods of time without causing any strain on my hands. The jaws meet perfectly without any wobbling, ensuring precise and accurate manipulation of wires and findings. The smoothness of the jaws. They grip onto wires firmly without leaving any marks or scratches, which is crucial when working with delicate materials like sterling silver or gold. Additionally, the wire cutters are sharp and precise, making clean cuts every time without any fraying or deformation of the wire. Number 3. Toolour Jewelry Pliers Set. This comprehensive set has everything you need for your jewelry making projects. It includes 8 different pliers, perfectly suited for various tasks. These pliers are made from high-quality carbon steel, ensuring durability and longevity. The oil coating protects them from rust, extending their lifespan. From delicate beading to sturdy wire wrapping, it handles it all with ease. Its precision machine jaws provide a strong grip for various materials. The included wooden pallet keeps your pliers organized and your workspace tidy. It's made from high-quality pine and is both safe and aesthetically pleasing. The soft silicone grips provide extra comfort, reducing hand fatigue. The double leaf spring ensures smooth, self-opening action. It's perfect for jewelry making, repair, and crafting. They are also useful for electronics repair, model making, and more. What we like. This comprehensive set includes a variety of pliers to cover all your jewelry making needs. The added wooden palette keeps everything organized. If you value convenience and comfort during your crafting sessions, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The tools work great. I ordered these for wire wrapping and they are great quality and comfortable in my hand. All the tools in one set. I am very impressed with the quality of this set of tools. They are all very well made. Number 2. Deluxe Jeweler's Bench Set. Get ready to experience the ultimate in jewelry making organization. This set has everything you need to create beautiful pieces. It's built to last with its sturdy solid wood frame. You'll appreciate its durability and elegant design. The large work surface provides ample space for all your tools and materials. Enjoy the comfort and convenience it offers. Keep your tools neatly organized and within easy reach. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. Maximize your storage with the convenient mountable shelf. It keeps everything tidy and readily accessible. Everything you need is included in this comprehensive kit. Start creating stunning jewelry today. What we like. This set provides a dedicated workspace for your jewelry making projects. The storage shelf keeps your tools organized and within easy reach. If you're looking to create a professional and efficient workspace, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Very well made, very easy to assemble, just follow simple instruction book. Overall happy with this bench. The work surface, very solid and at least 1 inch thick. Number 1. Shynek 8 PCS Jewelry Pliers Set. This comprehensive kit contains everything you need to create beautiful jewelry. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. The set includes 8 different pliers, each designed for a specific task in jewelry making. You'll find everything from needle nose to crimping pliers. These tools are neatly organized in a handy zippered case, making it easy to transport and store your pliers. Keep them safe and readily accessible. You may notice some oil on the pliers. This is to protect them from rust. Simply wipe them clean before use and reapply oil for long-lasting protection. It's great for cutting, wrapping, shaping, and crimping wire, making it perfect for a wide range of jewelry making projects. Let your creativity shine. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this set provides all the essential tools you need to create stunning jewelry. Start crafting today. What we like. This kit contains all the essential pliers for jewelry making, neatly stored in a convenient zipper bag. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. If you need a portable and comprehensive set for various jewelry making tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. This set of pliers comes with a great variety, including some pliers which are difficult to buy individually, the looping pliers in particular. The pliers are well machined and the points align. The pliers have smooth plastic-coated handles. The pliers come pre-oiled and those with cutting edges are quite sharp. The variety of pliers is fantastic. A lot of specialty pliers are included here, and this is the next step from a beginner's assortment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.